What is up, my friends? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another investment video. Most of my videos that I talk about investing is usually about spaceship or raise. That's pretty much all I've done. This is something I've been doing for a while. I haven't exactly talked about it. It's something I don't really pay attention to that much. It's something that I kind of just wanted to try out because it's I seen it on the news and I thought it was like a real cool concept. So basically, it's called BrickX. I invest not 500, sorry, $50 a month into this. It's just something I thought I could afford, and I don't think you can do weekly installments. I think the most you could do was monthly. So I was like, oh, I'll bump it up to 50 because things like spaceship and that I usually do $10 a week. So yeah, and this you need a bit more of an investment to be able to afford the shares. So basically, what it is, you're buying like shares. They call them bricks, but you're really buying shares in a rental property that the BrickX buys. So they go, I think this is what happens. They buy a rental property. They buy like a house. They rent it out to someone, or they sell a percentage of that house to people. So I own 8 bricks, but they're from different properties. So say I bought one brick in one of the rental properties. Say there's 1,000 bricks in that house. I think there's a lot more than 1,000, but you buy one brick out of 1,000, so you get 1,000th of percentage of of the rent that people pay that live in it. I hope that wasn't too confusing. It's pretty simple. So you're pretty much just getting a percentage of the rent of the share that you own in the rental property. That was probably a bad way of explaining it, but I'm sure you get the gist. So yeah, I think you get paid out monthly from the rent. It's not really that much. Basically, what you're betting on, if you're pretty much betting on the housing market. So if you're looking to get into the housing market but can't afford a house, which a lot of people can't, this is sort of a cool app that you can do that, because you're practically investing in the housing market without buying a complete house. So as you can see here, I've got 8 bricks. I think they're over like 4 different houses. I think we can work it out here. I think you can go and have a look at the houses. Let's see if we can find it here. Here we go. So if we go to the portfolio, here you can see, yeah. So I've got 8 bricks across 4 different houses. So I've been paid $1.63 in, I think, the total distribution. So I think that's like the rent that people live in. I've gotten paid so far, which, like I said, isn't really what you're in it for, unless you may be doing big investments like $50,000 or something, like way more than what I'm doing. But yeah, so here you can see these are the houses that I'm invested in. So this one's, I've got 4, I think you can see the house, 4 bricks. And yeah, see this is the house here. So technically I own a part of this house. So the people that live in it are technically paying me a little bit of rent to live in there. So yeah, it's cool. Your bricks like go up in value as the housing market changes. Obviously, in different areas, the housing market changes a bit. So that's why, like some of these, as you can see, like this one that I have most bricks in, the capital returns been low, obviously because the bricks have gone down in value. I don't know if it tells me how much I paid for the brick. Yeah, so yeah, you can. So this is the average price I paid per brick. Oh wait, I think that's overall. I don't know. I'm sure I can find out how much I paid for it, and then that's how much it's worth now. $76, nearly 77. So yeah, you're really just betting it's like buying shares really. When you buy a share, you're buying part of a company or a business, and you're hoping that business goes up in value, and then you can sell those shares. This is pretty much the same thing. You're betting on the housing market, and you're hoping that the housing market improves, and then you can sell your bricks, or you can just continue investing, or whatever you want to do. There are 2 ways of investing. There is smart invest. So that's just like someone does it for you. It's kind of like just like a fun sort of thing. You give them the money and they invest it for you, which is what I did because I had no idea what I was doing. I kind of just wanted to dip in and try this out. And then there's your build your own. If you know a bit more about the housing market, you want to try out yourself, then you can build your own, and you can choose which houses you want to buy bricks in and stuff like that. But as you can see, yeah, you can really see what the houses will look like, which is cool. Makes it a bit more like, I don't know, it kind of feels cool that you're like, oh, this house here, I own a part of that house. Obviously, if I went, I think you've probably seen already on the dashboard. Yeah, my return on investment is down at the moment by 1.5%, which like that's really nothing to me. And this is just, I'm just trying this out. Yeah, 1.5%. It's not nothing to cry about, but obviously, yeah, this hasn't really been paid off yet. But you never know. I just wanted to dip in and try it out. You know, it's just like everything, really. You got to try it out before you can really make a huge opinion on it. But yeah, I just seen this on the news and thought I'd try out. Another thing which is cool is you get a big payout for just signing up, which is cool. I think here we go, invite mates. Yeah, give your mates $40 and you get 30. So I'd get $30. So that's why I signed up as well. My mate invited me. So if you guys want to try this out, I'll leave a link in the comments below, in the description. And then if that doesn't work, just leave a comment and I'll copy and paste the link straight away for you guys. And yeah, that'd really help out my channel as well. But yeah, guys, if you guys know like a bit about the housing market and like you really want to invest, but you don't have the money to buy a complete house and stuff like that, then maybe just try this out. Like if you really think the housing market's going to improve, if you have some like intel or belief or whatever, then yeah, try this BrickX out. I think it's only for Australians. That's the only thing, but try it out if you're not Australian. I'm not sure if it works or not internationally. But yeah, leave a comment down below if it does. That'd be good information for everyone. But yeah, guys, happy investing. But guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope I gave you some information. Yeah, make sure you use my link if you could. If you try out this app, it'd really help out my my channel. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.